head over to search and then type in Windows PowerShell. And then you want to right click on it and then run it as administrator. Click on yes. Once you're on it, you want to type in wmp.dll space / update WMP version. Click on enter. Once you're on the next line, you want to type in regsvr32 space wmp.dll. Click on enter on your keyboard again, and it should say DLL register in wmp.dll succeeded. And then click on OK. If that didn't work, for the second method, head over to search and then type in turn Windows on or off, and then this should come up. Click on it. Click on yes. Once you're on it, you want to click on the plus button on media features, and then you want to untick Windows Media Player. And then click on yes, and then click on OK. And then this scan should start happening. Once that's done, you want to close it, and then you want to restart your computer. Make sure that you click on restart and you don't click on shutdown. Click on restart. Now that you've restarted, we're going to head back over to search and then type in turn Windows features on or off again. Click on yes. And then you want to head back into media features, expand it, click on the plus and then enable it again. Click on OK. Wait for this to load. Now that's been done, you want to click on close, and then you want to restart your computer one last time, and then you're done. Then the problem should be fixed.